welcome to Susannah's Kitchen. Thank you so much for joining me for today's recipe. Of course, we're making it in the Ninja Foodi. These are really simple and can be served in lots of different ways. They're high protein and fast because they are air fried in 10 minutes. Even quicker if you like them done a little bit less. So these are my mini feta burgers with beef mince. They're really tasty and they make a great meal. So I'm going to serve mine with some salad with a balsamic drizzle. But of course you could actually load these up, you know, with some tomato, even some bacon in a bun and make an actual burger out of them. They've got 2 cheeses in them and lots of seasoning, so they're really, really tasty. Please don't forget to hit the like button for me and subscribe to my channel as well. If you are new here, maybe you're not new, but you just not clicked that subscribe button below, it really does help me. And I just wanted to let you know that I've got my brand new cookbook out now. It's available for pre-order, and when you pre-order it, you actually save £5 off as well. So well worth getting a copy ahead of time. It's going to be released in July, so not really that long now. And you can grab a copy on my website, which is www.susannaskitchen.uk. Right, let's go and start making these little mini burgers. I'm making some little mini burgers with feta, and these are going to be cooked on air fry. And you could actually cook these under the grill as well if you prefer. So it depends what you want to do, but either way will work really well. I'm going to be air frying, so I've got in here 5% fat beef mince, and I've got 300 grams. I've got half a teaspoon of garlic granules. I've got 40 grams of feta cheese. I've then got 20 grams of some low fat, high protein cheddar. But you could use a mozzarella or whatever you want with that. So, you know, it's going to melt in there, so it's going to work nicely. So you choose whatever cheese you want. Salt and pepper needs to go in, so let's do that next. So let's get some salt and then a good amount of cracked black pepper, and that beef is really nice. And lastly, what was it? It was half a teaspoon of Italian herbs. So that is everything. I'm going to be serving these with a salad, and I think that makes a really nice meal. Obviously you can put these into buns and have them as a loaded burger with a slice of tomato and some lettuce. So you can have them however you want. These are going to be really yummy. So I'm just forking all the ingredients together, just breaking up the feta as we go along. I just kind of crumbled it in, but it's still in quite large pieces in areas. Burgers are one of my favorite things to eat, so I thought I would give these a try and make my own. At least you know that way what you've got going into them. Of course, if you want to add a little bit of onion in, you can do that as well, or some different seasonings. You know, you could add Cajun seasoning to these or a barbecue seasoning. Okay, so nicely mixed up. Now we need to divide this into our mini burgers. And again, it doesn't matter if you want to make lots of really, really small ones or just, you know, 4 or 6 small ones. So let's have a look what we've got here, see what we think. Roughly in half. Shape that into one big ball. See if we, oh, I think that one's a bit bigger. We need to steal a bit from that one. And then we should be about equal. You can weigh these if you want them to be particularly accurate. I'm going to just put them into freeze, and then I can shape my mini burgers. These are going to be really, really delicious. Obviously, if you grill them, it's going to give you that kind of crispier edge to them. They look good. That sort of size is what I'm thinking. But yeah, obviously air frying works really, really nicely as well. I generally always air fry burgers. I often buy the Marks and Spencer's low fat ones, and then I put them in the air fryer. So I know that air frying works really well. So you just need to repeat this process. So you could serve, say, 2 of these even in a bun. You could layer it up. As I said, I'm going to be putting these with some salad. or, you know, these could be 6 small burgers. And you can change up the quantities a little bit if you want to. If you want to use a little bit less beef mince and just make, you know, 4 of these, and you can do that. So I'm just going to put a little bit of spray oil just in the bottom of the basket. I don't think they will stick, but just in case. And let's get these all in. If I have to change the shape a little bit, I'm not too worried, but they are in. So that is great. Let's get them onto air fry and I'll let you know exactly how long they take and show you the end result. Okay, so we are 5 minutes in to cooking these. And let me show you where we are at. I'm going to flip these over, each one, because I think around 10 minutes for these should be about right. Now, it depends, obviously, if you want your burgers quite pink in the middle, then you may want to do them a little bit less. But I think 10 minutes is going to be pretty good for these. I'm flipping them over because then we get a nice equal colour on the outside. These worked so well on air fry. They are still beautifully juicy in the middle and have a slight crust to the exterior. These are absolutely perfect. So let's grab this one here and let's cut this open and show you inside. They are juicy but nicely cooked on the outside. They're not pink, they are cooked all the way through. So if you do want yours pink in the middle, just cook them for a little bit less. But gorgeous little mini feta burgers.